Okay, so let's define a tool. Remember our base tool, tool 0, which you cannot delete and always has to be in there because all the other tools reference from that point, is located on the base plate, right here, behind the gripper. Alright? Now, what I've added here is a pin holder, and we are basically going to call this the entire tool, this whole device. So I could define a center point of the gripper, then I could go pick up my pin holder, change my positions and everything to reference this point. But in order to do that, I have to define the end of this tool. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to make a tool right now. So click the ABB menu, go to Program Data, click on the tool data, double tap on it, we'll bring it up. Here we'll see that tool 0 is already defined and you can't mess with it, that's permanent. But we're going to make a new one. So I'm going to tap the new icon at the bottom. Here we'll see that default name of tool 0 is installed. I'm going to hit the ellipses button, the 3 little dots, because I want to give it a name I know. So I'm going to rename this to, use it simple, I'm going to call it pin. And then I will type in the name pin and hit OK. So now I will just hit OK. So tap OK. And we'll see that we have the pin defined down at the bottom, well above tool 0. Let's edit this. And let's change a value. Let's scroll down to our mass. By default, our mass is -1. Now what is that, the mass? That is how much mass the tool has that you have bolted on the end of the robot. Well, later on we're going to run a load identify service routine that's going to fill all that in for us. But before that will work, we have to give it a mass. Right now it's -1. I'm just going to edit that. This is a 2 kilogram load robot, so I'm just going to put a 1 in there. If I had a larger robot, I might not want to do that. Maybe put a larger number in there. But we've got to have something in there. So I'm going to hit OK. And then I'm going to hit OK. And so now we've added a tool. Next session, we will identify the tool. We're going to, let's go ahead and define the tool center point. Okay? So, in order for us to define this, there's a little method that we can use. We're going to define that.